Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the left front main orifice in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Lift off the left side grate. Remove the burner cap and lift off the burner base. To help grip the orifice, place a piece of tape in a 7mm socket or nut driver. You can now unthread the old orifice from the holder. Install the new orifice by inserting it into the socket or nut driver. Then thread it into the holder. Replace the burner base by aligning the notch in the base with the spark electrode. Align the burner cap and reposition the grate. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.